Guys, y'all see me cleaning up the yard and putting the place together and doing a whole lot, chilling with the steaming brothers and so on and so forth. But energy come down, guys. I always try my best to enjoy the countryside a bit more than the average. So, oh man, it's a blessed afternoon. Now out and about with cousin, big bro down a corner there. Swim, yeah man. And mom's there with the whole family. Yeah man, it's a blessed afternoon, And the place looks beautiful, guys. Don't mind me. Yeah man. But I love the little weather we get from the other day, so the river get a little bit more water and it actually wash out somewhat. So you have a few morass in there, but it's amazing, it's beautiful, trust me. But anyway, I eat the water and it's something come down. Enjoy the countryside.